Pileated woodpecker. The woodpecker that Woody the Woodpecker is copied after. These are very rare to see in town, and I've only seen them a couple of times before. I did photograph one here last year, I think. But he was only here for a very short moment. This guy seems to like my wife's homemade suet. There you have it. They're a pretty big bird. About the size of a crow or bigger. And there he goes, moving up the tree. Right here on top of our bird feeder. Of all places. He's within 10 feet of our house. How cool is that? Tell you one thing, there ain't no other little birds coming in while he's sitting there. What a cool thing. Woohoo! I love it. Whoa! Just flew over and now he's sitting on my railing, my porch railing. Going right to where my wife is. My wife is standing in front of the kitchen window looking out at him. Well, you saw the pileated, and now here we have a hairy woodpecker. They're a whole lot smaller. We see this one a couple of times a day. How cool would it be if the other guy came down and they did a photo shoot together?